So with the DJI Flip, it's really easy to put your finger into the propeller here. So the question is, what's going to happen if you by accident have one of your fingers where the propeller is when it's going to take off? So we're going to try that now. Let's have it like this, and then I'm going to put my finger up here so we can see if you're going to snap my finger off, or if it's just going to hurt, or if something else is going to happen. Please let me know before we try this in the comment box below. What do you think is going to happen? Do you think it's going to be painful, or what's going to happen? So now we are in focus tracking. We're going to make sure it doesn't fly into these trees here. I'm going to put my finger up here. I'm going to press and hold the mode button here that is on the side. That is a button that we're going to press to take off. Let's do this. I'm kind of a little bit scared if it's going to hurt or not. I could maybe try with a stick, but we're not going to do that, because if you do it, you're going to do it with your fingers, because that is what you're probably going to put into the propellers here. So, okay, we are ready. Let's press the button and we're going to hear the countdown. And I'm going to have my finger here.
Medium. Follow. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Motor stuck.
Oh, it was just tapping like this on my finger. That was really good to know. So if you put your finger up here when you're going to take off, everything is going to be fine. It's just not going to take off. The next thing we're going to do, that is to see shot in that video over here, because that is the video that YouTube recommended to watch next. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one. Bye.